Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one important question which everybody keeps on asking me on my Instagram, on my YouTube, that I want to plan my portfolio. What is a portfolio and how much do I need to spend on the portfolio? So guys, I've made a couple of videos regarding how to become a model, how to become an actor. So you can check the link here mentioned above. Basic things which I want to talk about. What is a portfolio? That's one basic question what everybody is asking. Portfolio is basically your photographs in different attires, different looks. For boys, with different hairstyles, with beard, without beard, and different outfits. And for female, with different hairstyles again, with different outfits like Indian, Western, formal. So keeping everything in mind, we do a photo shoot which goes to your ad agencies, model coordinators, casting directors. So these pictures are called portfolio. So these pictures are basically your basic step for getting into modeling or acting, because wherever you go, wherever you try for modeling and acting, see, we have our own modeling and acting agency by the name of G&G Modeling Acting. So you can check the link below, which is mentioned in the description. So before you go anywhere, you need to have a portfolio which is going to go to these people for the shortlisting before they select you for any kind of work. And also these are the pictures which are going to talk. So it's important to have a good folio. For that, you need to go to a good photographer who's going to guide you to how to make a nice portfolio. And make sure when you're getting a portfolio done, don't ask the photographer to overdo your pictures. Me as a photographer, I get a lot of models, when they get their photo shoot done, they ask me, sir, can you please make some abs for me, especially the boys. And especially girls who are a little heavy, they tell me, can you please slim me down a little bit. So make sure the way you look, if you got a dark skin, you should look like a dark skin. You should not ask your photographer to get it changed to a fair complexion or anything like that. So be the way you are, you should look the way you are. That's important. And before choosing your photographer, it's very important to know the person, have a background check, because in this, I think around this time now, modeling and acting is getting filled up with these fraud agencies, fraud photographers who are asking for money, and in return they're committing you that they're gonna give you work, they're gonna give you 2-3 assignments within 2-3 days after the portfolio. So make sure you see, you go through different profiles, meet different photographers, and then you pick the person you like, and you can go ahead and do your portfolio. Talking about a portfolio package, they basically start from 25-30,000 to a lakh, depending on the photographer, his experience, his work profile. So because why these portfolios are expensive? Because they have costings involved, from the makeup artist to the stylist. If you talk about me, my portfolio, we give you the hairstylist, the makeup artist, the wardrobe, footwear, everything is included in my package. And if you want to check my packages, the description is down below. You can check it out, how much I'm charging and what are the different packages available with me at my studio or G&G Modeling Acting Academy studio. You can check it out. So I get a lot of models who say, sir, we've been approached by photographers on Instagram or on Facebook that people are saying we can do your folio for 3,000, 5,000. And I get surprised sometimes, and I ask them, how come they're asking for such a low price? Because they're like, sir, they asked me to just come get my own clothes and come to some garden or some place, and where we can shoot outdoor. So guys, you stepping into modeling, acting, it's your passion, you want to make a career out of it. So it's important to go through the right channel. People who are experienced, people who are a name in the industry, all the photographers, they might help you out. They help you out with the contacts, they help you out with the agencies. So it's important to go through a good channel, from a reputed channel, so that it helps you to get work. So that's about it. I hope you like this video. For more details, you can check out gngmodels.com for all the acting courses and modeling courses we are offering. And how did you like this video? Don't forget to comment and like the video before going. How did you like this video? Don't forget to like and comment before leaving, and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.